How to export videos directly from Premiere Pro to social media. Click on Export tab. Here click on the switch next to each social media you want to upload your video to. Here I only enable YouTube. Set the format to H.264, then click on Sign In button and sign in with your channel account. Now that you're signed in, you can choose your channel from drop-down. Also select the playlist, set the title and description, and set privacy to private. Separate tags with commas. For the thumbnail, you can select an image from your computer or you can select one of the frames from the video. Move the playhead to the frame you want and click on Use Current Frame button. Under Video and Audio options, change properties based on your needs and click on Export button. Now Premiere uploaded the video to YouTube, and here we can change its settings and set its visibility to public. The good thing about this way is that we can upload the video to multiple social media only by one click. Just sign into all of them, set title and other properties, and click on Export button. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.